Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on our YouTube channel. So today's video we're going to be working on this Mercedes Benz, this E350. We're going to be doing some brake job on it on the front end, so stick around. Okay guys, so first we're going to start by breaking loose the lug bolts. Now we're going to jack the car up and remove the wheel. Okay guys, so after removing the wheel and inspecting, we found out that the brake pads still have plenty of life left, but they turned out to be cheap quality and they ate through the rotor here. As you can see, the rotor is all scratched up and has a lot of edges that are catching on the finger, plus it has a rough edge on the top side and on the bottom side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the rotors, take them to get turned, and get some OEM or high quality brake pads. Okay guys, so first we're gonna start by removing the brake caliper. It has two bolts, one on top and one on bottom, two 13mm bolts. And then you need to pry a little bit on the brake pads to break the cylinder free. This way you can remove it. And then we will press the piston in using the tool after it's removed. Okay guys, so when you remove the brake caliper, make sure you do not keep it dangling by the brake hose. Put it on something like that or tie it to the strut over here. Just keep it away, keep the weight away from the hose. Now we're gonna remove the caliper bracket. It has two 18mm bolts, one on top and one on bottom. And remove them just like that in order to remove the rotor. Now we remove the torque screw that holds the rotor on. So as you saw guys, using the C-clamp here, we compressed the piston of the caliper in. Okay guys, so as you saw, we turned our rotors. Now note that they are site specific. So there is left and right, so keep that in mind. It's written on the rotor. As you can see, they are labeled through the casting. We wire brushed the hub here. Now we're gonna put a thin coat of anti-seize. Now we're gonna install the bracket. Okay guys, so here we have some high quality brake pads. We're gonna install them on the caliper first. As you can see, the other brake pad also has a notch here that goes just like that. Make sure you put some anti-seize on the sliding pins here. So now we're gonna install the caliper back on the bracket, but here comes the tricky part, which is installing the spring. Yep. Now to install this, what you gotta do is hold the pin here, which slides into this hole with a flathead screwdriver, just like that, and have one side installed, and then pull on the other one. So just like that, we finished this side. Now we're gonna install the wheel and we're gonna start working on the other side. Guys, so just like that, we showed you how to replace the brake pads on this 2011 Mercedes Benz. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it helpful and informational. If you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, see you on the next one.